This is Tamreen Ithnain of Ad-Dars Al-Sabi'. So we're in drill 2 of lesson 7 of Kitab Adawat al-Rabd. And in this lesson, we're looking at innama, bal, and lakinna. So here you have some sentences in which you're going to complete the sentence with words of your own using innama, bal, and lakinna to introduce the rest of the completed sentence. So I'm going to go through some of the vocabulary so that you understand each sentence, and then you're going to extend that sentence using one of those connectors. In number 1, we have لن يناقشهم في هذا الموضوع. He will not debate them on this topic or on this subject, and then you need to complete it. لم يحاول منعهم من استخدام القوة. He didn't try preventing them from using power. 3 لن يقود سيارته الجديدة. He will not drive his new car. Number 4 سوف يحصل على وظيفة محاسب. So he will obtain or he will get the job of an accountant. 5 هي ليست في البيت الآن. She is not in the house now. 6 لن يعمل في جريدة الأخبار. He will not work at the newspaper الأخبار. 7 قد يحضرون حفل الزواج. They could attend the marriage party. 8 لا تضيع وقتك. Here we have a prohibition. لا تضيع لا تضيع وقتك. لا تضيع وقتك. Don't waste your time. 9 لم أقرأ قصة ألف ليلة وليلة كلها. So I didn't read the story of ألف ليلة وليلة, all of it. 10 لم أدرس لغات أجنبية مع مدرس. I didn't study foreign languages with an instructor. 11 سوف آخذك إلى المطعم. I will take you to the restaurant. Now remember that bal can be used for idrab, which means that you can provide another alternative, right? So it doesn't just mean like however, but you can provide an alternative to the word that is provided there. And then 12 قد أدفع له شيئا من الثمن. I could pay him something of the price, etc. So hopefully that helps. مع السلامة.